Hi everyone, now we are going to introduce AB Waypoint flight mode of Align M6. AB Waypoint flight mode setup in app. Suggest to set flight speed at 2.5 meters per second and the flight gap set at 5 meters. The turning method, fixed point, reverse to turn with right angle, coordination, reverse to turn fast sideways. Suggest to set fixed point for turning method. After setup in app, now start AB positioning. Before takeoff, please press the spring button and get the air out of the tube so that can make the sprayer spread out evenly. Unlock the throttle to take off. Flight height at 3 meters. Contact flight and fly to waypoint A. Position and set waypoint A. Then fly to waypoint B. While the drone is about to fly close to the border, you can check the waypoint B position from the real-time image return and aim the green radial at the ridge first. Then check the image in the app and flying slowly close to the border and wait until the ridge is just aligned to the screen bottom line. And hover at 3 meters height above the ridge. Now position and set waypoint B. Then switch to auto flight mode. Start auto flight and spring work. During auto flight mode, you can adjust flight height accordingly. When it's almost running out of battery or water, then switch to GPS mode. The system will record the breakpoint automatically. After battery change or refill the container, then unlock the throttle to take off. Then switch to auto flight mode. The drone will fly to the breakpoint automatically to continue spraying. After completing work, please wash and clean the spring tube with 7 liters clean water to prevent chemical residue. Get the water out of the tube completely, then turn off the spring switch. Above all, it's about AB Waypoint flight mode introduction. Thanks for watching.